In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Charles Schwab Brokerage account number. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look on the website and how to make sure you've got the right number for the right account. Start by heading to schwab.com in a secure browser window. Sign in using your usual login credentials and always double check that you're on the official site with a secure connection before entering any information. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Next, look for the Accounts option in the top navigation. Click Accounts, then choose Account Summary. This page shows an overview of your Schwab accounts. If you have more than one, you'll see them listed separately. Locate the brokerage account you're interested in and click on it to open the detailed view. On the brokerage account page, your account number appears right at the top. It's typically displayed clearly near the account name or header. At Schwab, brokerage account numbers are usually 8 digits in a format that looks like 4 digits, a dash, and 4 digits. For example, something like 1234 to 5678. Take a moment to verify each digit carefully, especially if you plan to use it for transfers or forms. If you have multiple Schwab accounts, remember that each one has a different number. It helps to confirm you're viewing the correct account by glancing at the account name, any nickname you've set, or the current balance to avoid mixing them up. When you copy the number, do it carefully and store it somewhere secure. Avoid taking screenshots on shared devices and never share your account number in unsecured messages. A quick word on what not to confuse it with. Your login ID is only for signing into your Schwab profile. It is not the same as your brokerage account number. Likewise, a routing number is used for moving money between banks via ACH or wire and isn't the identifier for your specific brokerage account. The brokerage account number is what uniquely identifies that investment account within Schwab. That's the entire process. Log in at schwab.com, go to Accounts, open Account Summary, click your brokerage account, and look at the top of the page for the 8-digit account number. Follow these steps anytime you need to reference it, and you'll have the correct number quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and keep your information secure as you manage your accounts.